Hello guys, how can you change the red eye color in Photoshop? All you have to do is find the red eye tool. Here it is. Select it, then drag over the red eye area. As you can see, the color has changed from red to black instantly. Zoom in, and you will notice the effect has been applied perfectly. With this simple method, you can fix any red eye effect in Photoshop easily.